national capital is always kind of like, in the month of October, November, you have this strange kind of air or whatever. It's like smog. Actually, what we used to think for the longest time as fog is not really fog, it's smog. And your fans become like black, and everything is kind of like dirty, whatever. And I saw these lung photos actually, and it showed that our lungs compared to somebody, let's say maybe in Himachal or wherever, our lungs are like black in color. But air pollution has been, it's a story that has always been there, but we wanted to dedicate an entire issue to looking at air pollution from different perspectives. Poor people, when I come back home, I see them all huddled under the flyover, and I'm thinking, oh my God, these guys are surrounded with all these things, and how do you escape the air? And people, a lot of articles that I've read, they say that air pollution is the biggest equalizer. It's not. Poor people die.
मेरा नाम महक है। मुझे सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, खांसियाँ आती हैं, और मेरी मम्मी मुझे हॉस्पिटल ले जाती है, मुझे भाप दिलाती है, और मेरे हाथ पैर में जलन होती है।
ये पॉल्यूशन उड़ता है तो मास्क लगा लेते हैं ज़्यादा, और अपने सेफ्टी के लिए जो काम हो तो बाहर आते नहीं, अंदर ही रहते हैं।
Yeah, I think everybody is using the normal air purifier, and we have air purifier in our cars, at home, office, and we do not open the windows of the car, possibly doing our exercise workouts inside the home.
We just want people to, a lot of people talk about breaking news, this, that, all of that is important. As a journalist, I understand that, but also there's a journalism of empathy, and that's what we want to do. Every time I would go out on the terrace, I never saw stars in Delhi in the month of October and November, and we grew up in a place where you could see stars, at least in my childhood. So we wanted to actually also talk about the lost stars for a child, maybe. So when we were designing the cover, I actually thought of stars, and we asked Leela, if our designer, if her little daughter, who's actually an artist, and she would, if she draws stars, and she basically gave us a photo of all these stars that Leenit has drawn.
I just told her, then can you draw some stars for me? I just told her this thing, and she drew colorful stars, then blue and silver stars. So after a couple of experiments, I got a good thing.